Good morning to everyone. I'm Chintana from grade 2. Today we are here to talk about importance of education. Education helps us to grow, to learn new things and become good human beings.
Hello everyone, I am Riddhi. Yes, Chintana, education is very important. It teaches us how to read, write, think and understand. It also helps us to get a good future and be successful in life.
Good morning everyone, I am Avyut, exactly Riddhi. Do you know why teachers give us homework? Homework helps us to revise what we learn in class, increase our memory power and to improve our learning habit. It makes our brain sharper.
Hello, I am Anika. As a youth, we should not be lazy in doing our homework. Our teachers also tells us to maintain good handwriting. Good handwriting shows discipline and neatness. It also helps us to score good marks and our answers clearly.
Yes, Anika, you're right. Our parents also play an important role. They encourage us, support us, and help us to study. We should respect them and listen them always.
In our Manas International SSC school, teachers not only teach subjects but they also teach moral values, discipline, good behavior. They prepare us to face the future confidently.
Yes, Riddhi, you're true. Education also teaches healthy competition. Competition improve ourselves, become better and try hard to achieve our goal.
Hey Avyut, being a rank holder, it is not just about the marks. It is about a hard work practice, confidence and consistency. We should have passion in our life. Our school organizes orientation and activities helps us to become confident and multi-talented.
So, let us study well, do our homework daily, respect parents and teachers, practice handwriting, and always try to give our best and become better human beings and responsible citizens of India. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.